We've got a really special car today, folks. You're going to want to watch this entire video. It's a 1967 Biscayne station wagon. Who would have thought to make such a cool car out of a 67 Biscayne wagon? Uh, Complete restoration. The interior is killer. The interior looks like it's out of a Bentley. It is all leather, all premium stuff. GM crate motor under the hood. It's a 385 fast burn engine, overdrive automatic. Go to volocars.com. You can see 200 classic cars. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Subscribe to our YouTube channel too. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, the body work is outstanding. It is show quality, absolutely laser straight. Everything fits beautifully, square and flush. Looking all the way down, boy, it's like looking down a football field. It is absolutely straight. They've cleaned it up a lot. They've removed emblems, made it nice, smooth, clean, all the way down to the bottom. It is a mirror. You use a key fob to open the doors. They're by remote, so the door handles have been shaved. A lot of little details too, just little fill-ins. Like there was a seam that was filled. The rain gutter had some seams that was filled. The rear handle was removed, shaved smooth. We'll demonstrate all that in a little bit here. The tail lights were made flush. They were changed up a little bit. All clean, absolutely straight metal. Look at down here. It's a mirror finish. Beautiful. All clean, nice. The seams here were filled in. So a lot of little details like that. The hood, you might have noticed, this was custom made to look like the SS 427. That's what the grille is from, but they had to make the hood to hold that grille. Now the paint, it's a GM color. We have the paint code. Actually, we have some extra paint. Dark blue metallic. It is show quality. It is laid out evenly, all the metallic, and the clear coat is polished like glass. You'd have to look really hard to find a flaw in this car. I'm sure you could find one if you looked long enough, but I mean, it's that nice. All this is chrome plated. The grille would have been like anodized or aluminum. That's all chrome. The bumper, the trim has halogen headlights. All this was re-chromed. The moldings down the side with the machine turn, guess what? That's painted on. I went to a cruise night. Michael drove this, and people had to come up and touch it to believe it. It looks so real. They did a fantastic job. All new glass, has a light smoke to it, but all the glass is replaced. All the weather strips were done by Steel Products. The premium weather strips are all redone. In back, the bumpers re-chromed. The bumpers were tucked into the body too, made nice and tight. They just cleaned the whole thing up real nice. All this was re-chromed. This is painted on as well. Now the tires and wheels. Custom made redline performance tires. They're on US mags. Looks like maybe a touch smaller wheel in the front than in the back. Looks great. The stance is great. You're going to absolutely love the interior in this car. Let's check it out. All right, check out these stainless moldings. Now the power window opens from inside, and then the tailgate opens, which I don't know if I'll have room for or not. Nope. And then this panel here slides out, and then that compartment underneath there opens up. There's pictures on our website. The battery is in here. There's stereo equipment, a subwoofer, an amplifier, car cover, a real nice car cover, some extra paint. Now, everything you see here that's upholstered, genuine leather. It smells like leather in here. It is glove soft. Look at the custom speakers. Look how all this is done. Look at the lights, the trim. This is outstanding, high quality work. The tailgate is upholstered. So yeah, this interior is about as nice as they get. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you're notified when videos are posted. It looks like they buffed the door jambs. It's as shiny as the outside of the car. It is slick. And look at this sculpted door panels. And again, everything is leather, not vinyl. Has billet handles, power windows. Look at these contoured seats, very comfortable. Seat belts, cup holders. It has this custom made center console, all wrapped in leather. This was made. That's all cool stuff. Let's get up to the front. Now, all four doors have this, but look at that light down there. Those are portholes off the fender of a 56 Buick. That's what they used in the car for the interior lights. And again, molded, sculpted, wrapped in leather, new relic power windows. They work real nice. Decoded digital gauges, all new. This instrument panel is reworked. That's where your headlight switches and stuff would be, but now it's AC vents, a little microphone for the stereo. Leather wrapped and stitched custom dash pad. Here's all your controls. It's the AC controls, your headlights, cigarette lighter, your ignition. And coming across here, it's all nice and clean and painted. New glove box liner, custom AC vent, leather wrapped panels with the speaker. Look at the premium carpet and look at what a great job they did installing the carpet. This custom center console, it's a backup camera, Bluetooth, stereo. He said CD player too. Oh, yeah, you slide one in right there. More Buick portholes. One is a USB, one is a 12-volt receptacle. Center console with cup holders. So opens up, carpeted inside. Again, leather seats, very comfortable. They recline. They have retractable seat belts. The headliner, front to back cloth, like that Alcantara cloth material. And then it has this real neat center piece with the trim and the lights. It's wrapped in leather. Double stitched leather visors. Has the modern mirror. And then it's an I Did It tilt column. Even the matching leather on the steering wheel. Auto wire wiring system, new pedals, all sorts of stuff in here. This interior is equivalent of a modern day luxury car. It is awesome. We went to a cruise night. Michael drove this with my daughter and their baby and said he would drive it cross country. So this shield cover, engine cover, was made in Canada, painted to match the car, got a little airbrush detail on top. That is a GM Performance crate motor. And by the way, there's only about 1,200 miles on this car since it's been done. So it's got aluminum heads, an aggressive cam, aluminum intake, 4-bolt mains, forged crankshaft. It does have block hugger headers, electronic ignition. They smoothed out the firewall. All this is painted beautiful, stainless hardware throughout. The inner fenders and the core support are powder coated. Now the front of the engine has the serpentine belt system. It's a classic auto air heat and air system. You got a polished compressor, got a modern alternator. This is an Arctic Chill aluminum radiator, good fat one, with nice fittings over the hoses, dual electric fans, polished overflow bottle. And there's two battery terminals over there too, because that one buried in the back, you wouldn't be able to get to it. Its battery's dead, so they have terminals up here. Power steering, power brakes with a Willwood master cylinder. It has the hinges that I just absolutely love. They look great and feel great when you use them. Got the hood insulation. Look how nice and smooth these hoods work with those instead of the old hinges with the springs. Michael's going to take you for a drive in this car. We'll see you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. super nice wagon here. 350 under the hood, rated at 385 horsepower. Really, really smooth running engine. I did have time to spend some time with this one. Me and Brenda and Auburn took it out to the car show for a little cruise one night, and wow, what a family cruiser. Really did the job nicely for us. No disappointments as far as power goes, and it just runs so smooth. Shifts well too with the 700 R4 automatic overdrive trans. You can put some serious miles on this one if that's what you want to do. I would recommend it too. Power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes. It's literally like a modern car. And this interior, guys, I cannot get over. It's more than good looks. It really feels super comfortable. Let's see what she's got. And just like that, we're at 60 miles an hour. You can't even tell when the transmission's shifting in this thing. So silky smooth, clear across the board. And this suspension handling is so tight as well. Air conditioner does work. Let's see how the front end is set up here. I mean, I'm totally in love with this wagon. Great experience, clear across the board. And that's not even to mention the paint. The guys were lined up at the car show checking it out. Caught a couple of them kind of touching the side a little bit to see if it was real trim or not. So very impressive any way you look at her. Check out all the details at volocars.com and come take it for a test drive if you'd like to. You won't be disappointed.
This car is meticulously done. You'd have to be one of the fussiest people on the planet to find really fault with this car. The fit, finish, and function are outstanding. So his body on the frame restoration. The floors are all clean, solid as can be. They don't look like they've ever been rusted or patched up. Steering and suspensions all been gone through. Upgraded with Bilstein gas shocks at all four corners, new springs, front and rear heavy sway bars. Nice dual exhaust system with tube like resonators and stainless steel mufflers. Willwood disc brakes at all four of the wheels with the red calipers. They're drilled and slotted rotors. Looking up at the motor, it's a crate motor. It comes with a black oil pan, just nice and clean, high torque starter. 700 R4 overdrive transmission, so when you get out on the highway and cruise, it'll go effortlessly. 10-bolt rear end, just an outstanding car. There's a battery kill switch under the back too. You can disconnect it. When we were at the cruise night, I took a Nova and Michael had this. People were all over this car. Everyone loves it. The guys in the shop were bragging about it. Everybody who has anything to do with this car brags about it. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door. And if you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.